I wake up at 6 a.m. every day.
I wake up 6 a.m. every day.
I brush my teeth twice a day. I brush my teeth twice a day. I wash my face in the morning. I wash my face in the morning. I take a shower before breakfast. I take a shower before breakfast. I drink a cup of coffee every morning. I drink a cup of coffee every morning. I go to school at 8 a.m. I go to school at 8 a.m. I go home at 5 a.m. I go home at 5 a.m. I watch TV in the evening. I watch TV in the evening. I do homework after dinner. I do homework after dinner. I go to bed at 11 p.m. I go to bed at 11 p.m. I pray before sleeping. I turn off the light before going to sleep. I turn off the light before going to sleep.